My name is Ojo Isaac. I'm the manager of Prestaria Concept, located at Ikeja, Lagos. This video is about the continuation of how to set up charts of account. I have produced the first video on how to set up banks. So this one have to be other ledgers. How to set up other ledgers. Okay, so in continuation of setting up the chart of account of other ledgers other than banks, what you do is to look at your list. Let's go to the list, which is the case study. Under the case study here, we have employees advances, that is current assets. Then we have prepaid expenses, current assets. Then we have furniture and fittings, the features. Sorry, we have furniture and features, and we have equipment. Then and we have motor vehicles. Okay, so what I'm going to look at, I will look at two major ones here. That is to say, the furniture and fittings and equipment, then probably motor vehicle. Let's look at that in the video. Okay, so we go back to the software. Okay, so we are on the software now. Let's continue from here now. So let's go to fixed assets classification. Under the fixed assets classification, we have in default here furniture and equipment and accumulated depreciation. So we need to organize it to suit our method of accounting here in Nigeria. This is just a default information from the United States of America. You know, this software is from United States of America. All right. So let's start with the first one, which is furniture and equipment. The number is 50,000. Good. But what we want to do now is to separate furniture and equipment, because it's done the way we classify it here in Nigeria. So how do we edit that? This one comes under editing. So now we want to edit that. What we do is to right click on this very furniture and equipment, then and from the display I will click on edit account. So because I'm editing account, I have nothing to do with changing of this very particular number, which is 50,000, because 50,000 according to the IFRS is for fixed assets registration and also set up in chart of account. So what I will do is to change the name here to become furniture and fittings. That is what I will do. Furniture and fittings, which I have just done now. So after I've done that, then I will also edit the description to remove or to delete equipment from there, because it's done for management. This ledger is not for management of equipment, is and furniture and fittings. That is what is there. So I will now features. Okay, I will now enter features here. Okay, features. Furniture and features with useful life exceeding 1 year. That is the actual definition of fixed assets. All right. So after that, I will save and close. Okay, so it's there. Then I need to add more fixed assets. How do I do that? I can also right click here again and say new. I already know the number I'm using, which is 15,000. I will, from the display here, from the classification, I will look for fixed assets, which is this. I will click on fixed assets. Then when I click on fixed asset, look at the information software is giving here. It's telling me, yes, you will be able to set up building, land, machinery and equipment and vehicle, which are the fixed assets here, or otherwise known as PPE, property, plant and equipment. All right. So what do we do? I click on continue. Then I told you that we want to use the list here. That is from, I've done that of the furniture of it is. So what the next one for me to set up is equipment class. I'm going to set up equipment. But before I do that, I need to enter the number 15,100. 15,100 as usual. Then equipment, yeah. Equipment. Useful life, more than 1 year. If you like, you enter that. Useful life, more than 1 year. With useful life, more than 1 year. Okay? After that, then we now equipment with useful life more than 1 year. We click on save and new. Then after that, I can set up one more motor vehicle, as I said before. 15,200 motor vehicle. Motor vehicle. Motor vehicle. Okay, so that is the account name, motor vehicle. Then description, motor vehicle, useful life more than 1 year. Then save and close. You can see, look at it. It's there. Look at the first one. Fixed asset, that is 50,000. Furniture and fittings. Sorry, furniture and fitting feature. 15,100 equipment, 15,200 motor vehicle. So we can go on and on to set up all the classes of fixed assets. Then immediately you are through with the setup of fixed assets, the next thing you do is to set up the accumulated depreciation for each asset, which is already one of them here, 17,000 ledger. So what I will do now is to show you how to edit this one to become the first one. Okay, I will edit this for furniture and fittings, features. Okay, this is accumulated depreciation, accum div, furniture and things. If the space is not enough, we can abbreviate it, furniture. Okay, it's not enough. F and F. I will do F and F and F. Furniture and fittings. Accum div, that is accumulated depreciation, furniture and fittings. So here I will now come also to edit the description here. Accumulated depreciation on furniture and fittings. On furniture and features. Yeah, furniture and features. So that is what I will do here. Then I can now save and new. Save and close. You can see, because it's the number 1 here. The rule is the number 1 fixed asset here should also have the number 1 accumulated depreciation. So let's set up the second accum div, which for equipment. And I click on new now because I'm going to create a new ledger for fixed assets. Click on continue. I've selected fixed asset. Click on continue. Now the new ledger now will now take 17,100. Don't forget, we are now on fixed asset is taking, fixed asset will take 17,000. Okay, equipment. So accumulated depreciation for equipment we will abbreviate it if we can't take it equipment. All right. So this will copy and paste here, or you type in if you have the time to do so. Okay. So save under new. The next one is accumulated depreciation motor vehicle 17,200. 200. Okay. Motor vehicle MV. Then I paste here, Control V. MV. As motor vehicle. Motor vehicle. Then save under close. So if I have done this, it means that I have done the third one, which is motor vehicle. So you know there are 5 classes of PPE, so you can complete the rest on your own. So in continuation, let me just set up one ledger again that may not be on the list of that class. Okay. So we have liabilities. Let's accrued liabilities. Let me set up accrued liabilities here. We already have a liability ledger starting with 24,000. So if I want to set up accrued liabilities down, it means that I have to pick from 24,000 and above. 24,000 above, between 24,000 and 30,000. We have a very big gap there. Okay, so let me pick 25,000 because there are other accrued or other ledger that will come under that ledger. So 25,000 for accrued liabilities. All right, we go there now. I can use this method again. Account, new. Then, because I'm going to set up accrued liabilities, if you fall under other current type, other account types here. From here, I will now select current liabilities, which is already listed here. Now I'll click on continue. 25,000 I said. 25,000. Okay. Accrued liabilities, right? Okay. So I'm going to set up accrued liabilities down. Liabilities. So if I'm done with that, I will copy and paste the description or type it in full if I have the time. Save and close. So we can go on and on. The same method you will use to set up the cost of sales, if there are different costs of sales. The same method you will use to set up expenses, different type of expenditures for the organization. The same method you will use to set up other ledgers that you feel that are important here and that are going to be used during the course of your work. So this is how to set up charts of account. I implore you to continue to try it and make sure that you get it very well. So this is how to set up chart of account. You can see all what I have set up. They are here. They are all represented here. So please do not forget to click on the subscription button so that you will get more information or more videos by the time we release new one. Thank you.